To other news, tragedy in St. Elizabeth after an elderly couple died in a fire early this morning. Residents of Lovers Lane say they awoke to the smell of smoke, loud screams, and the gruesome discovery of their neighbors on Christmas Day. Jamaica Maitland reports.
Some residents of Love Lane in Black River, St. Elizabeth broke down in tears Saturday morning as they gathered outside what was left of the home of their neighbors who died on Christmas Day. 77-year-old Monica Brown and her partner, 61-year-old Leroy Stewart, perished in a fire that happened sometime between 4 and 4:30 a.m. Their bodies were found to the back of the house in what investigators theorize was their attempt to escape the blaze that started at the front of the house. Residents looked on as the firefighters conducted cooling down exercises. The daughter of the woman recounted the frightening phone call that her mother's house was on fire.
Well, I was at home alone and just got a call that my mother's house is on fire and it seems that she's inside, trapped. When I came, I realized that her dwelling place complete burned out, and she and our partner, both of them, found them at the back door burned.
The fire brigade has not yet established what was the cause of the fire, but a family member who lives close by says he believes a candle may have started the blaze. It also damaged the windows of an adjoining house.
I know for a fact say, the house wasn't didn't have electricity, but they had candles, so I am assuming that they had the candle and probably drop asleep with the candle still burning. It probably is the cause of the fire.
Residents describe the death of the couple as a tragedy and a bitter start to the Christmas holiday. Monica Brown lived in the community for 44 years, the latter part being spent with her partner. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.